In this example, I will show you how to create profiles. Click the profile icon. The Sketch Tools toolbar now displays values for defining the profile. We have 3 profile mode options: the line, the tangent arc, and 3-point arc. Normally line is the default mode. Type in the Sketcher Tools toolbar for the first point, h equals 30 and v equals 40. Then press enter each time. For the endpoint, type h 70 and v 40 and press enter for each value. The line appears with the constraints corresponding to the created line. Remember, at this step, you may also enter the length and the angle values. OK then. Now, select the tangent arc option. Click to indicate the arc endpoint. As you see, always the default mode backs to line. Start dragging another line and click to indicate the line endpoint. OK then. Now, click the 3-points arc mode. Click to indicate 2 points, the passing and second points of the arc. Click the start point of the line first created. As you see, the profile is created.